Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Hyundai Tucson key. First, ensure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery ready. These are the only tools you'll need for this simple process. Next, take your key fob and look for a small, narrow slot, usually located on one of the sides. This slot is specifically designed for prying open the casing. Now, carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into that slot you just found. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver slightly. You should hear a small click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Continue to work your way around the seam if needed, but often a single twist is enough to pop it open. Be careful not to force it. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery inside. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery. It should come out easily. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, making sure the positive side, often marked with a plus sign, is facing the same direction as the old one. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring all the buttons and components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Now, test your key fob to make sure it's working correctly. Try locking and unlocking your vehicle. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.